Hello students, very nice good morning to all of you. I am Roshan Kumar of Math Teacher Modern English School Kunti Nagar branch Nevada. Student, today I am going to discuss next chapter of class 10, triangles. Triangles. What is triangles? Triangle is a simple fluid figure which is bounded by three line segments. Triangle is a simple fluid figure which is bounded by three line segments. A, B, C is a triangle. In a triangle, AB is the side, BC is the side, and AC is the side. Angle A, angle B, and angle C. Students, a triangle has three sides. AB, BC and CA. Three angles, angle A, angle B and angle C, and three vertex A, B and C. A triangle has six parts of a triangle. Six parts, three sides and three angles. Three sides and three angles are the parts of a triangle. There are six parts of a triangle ABC. There are six kinds of triangles. Three bases on the side, and the next three are bases on the angles. Bases on the sides, triangles, equilateral triangle, a scalene triangle, and isosceles triangle. Equilateral triangle, a triangle which all sides are equal. All sides are equal in a triangle is called equilateral triangle. And a scalene triangle, a triangle with no two sides are equal in a triangle. No two sides are equal in a triangle is called isosceles in a scalene triangle. And two sides are equal in a triangle is called isosceles triangle. And the next three triangles, type of triangles, three triangles are basis on the angles. First, acute angle triangle. A triangle, all angles are acute angle. In a triangle is called acute angle triangle. Right angle triangle, a triangle which has one angle is 90 degree. A triangle which has one angle is 90 degree is called right angle triangle. And one angle is obtuse in a triangle are called obtuse angle triangle. A student's property of triangle. There are some of the two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side, and the difference between the two sides of a triangle is less than the third side. And two triangles are congruent if their shape and size are equal. In previous classes, we have learned about congruence triangles in class 9. But in class 10, we have discussed about similar triangle. We have discussed about similar triangle. Congruent triangles and similar triangles. What is congruent triangles? Two triangles which has same shape and size. Two triangles are same shape and size are called congruent triangle. And two triangles only same shape. What different size? Maybe different size. Congruent triangles, it means two conditions: same shape, and the second, same size. But in similar triangles, only one condition, same. Students, congruent triangles. Two triangles are said to be congruent if they have same shape and same size. Examples: two triangles ABC and the second DEF. Look carefully. In both triangles are same shape. Both figures are triangular. What sides are also same. So we say that triangle ABC and triangle DEF, triangle ABC are congruent triangle DEF. Two triangles are same shape and size are called congruent triangles. In class 10, we have discussed about similar triangle. Only similar triangle. What is similar triangle? Two triangles, same shape, but may be different size. मतलब साइज डिफरेंट हो सकता है, जैसे फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल, क्रिकेट बॉल. फुटबॉल, क्रिकेट बॉल एंड हॉकी बॉल. स्टूडेंट्स, जितने भी बॉल हैं ये सब के सब एक ही आकार में है. तीनों का आकार शेप सेम है, बट साइज आर डिफरेंट. फुटबॉल बॉल एंड वॉलीबॉल्स आर बिग साइज. क्रिकेट बॉल एंड हॉकी बॉल्स आर अ स्मॉल साइज. तो ये सारे के सारे फिगर आपस में सिमिलर है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट नहीं है. बट क्योंकि कॉन्ग्रुएंट होने के लिए साइज भी सेम चाहिए. साइज अगर सेम होगा और शेप भी सेम है, दोनों कंडीशन फॉलो होगा, तब हम कहेंगे कि ये दोनों के दोनों जो क्या है, कॉन्ग्रुएंस है, कॉन्ग्रुएंट है आपस में. बट यहाँ फुटबॉल इज द बिग साइज and volleyball and cricket ball is a small size. So we say that they are similar. Two figures are said to be similar if they have same shape, may different size. Just similar figures, geometric figures which have the same shape, what different size? Two geometric figures which has same shape, what different size are known as similar figure. Two line segments are similar. Two line segments are similar. AB is the first line segment, CD is the second line segment. So we say that AB is similar to CD. Similar polygons. Two polygons having the same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal. First, if their corresponding angles are equal, and second, the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. 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 After that, similar polygon. What is polygon? A simple coloid figure which is bounded by 3 or more than 3 line segments are said to be polygons. Are said to be polygon. Similar polygons. Two polygons having the same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Suppose that first polygon is called triangle. Two triangles ABC and second triangle DE. Yeah. Similar polygons. Two polygons having the same number of sides are said to be similar if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Two polygons are said to be similar if their shape are equal and the sides are different. So ABC and DEF are similar. So angle A equal to angle D, angle B equal to angle E, and angle C equal to angle F. If triangle ABC are superposed on triangle DEF, then angle A is coincide angle D on the coincide angle D, angle B are coincide on angle E, and angle C are coincide of angle F. So it is clear that angle A is corresponding to angle D, angle B is corresponding to angle E, and angle C is also corresponding to angle F, and their sides are proportional. AB and DE are the corresponding sides. So AB by DE equal to BC by EF, BC by EF equal to AC by DF, AC by DF. Both conditions are follow. Both conditions are follow in any two polygons having the same number of sides. Triangle, quadrilateral, pentagon, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, any polygons. So we say that angle ABC are similar to triangle DEF. ABC, this side is represented to similar. This side is represented to similar. Similar, ये सिमिलर का सैम्बल है. जैसे कॉन्ग्रुएंट का सैंगल होता है ना, इफ ढंग का, उसी ढंग से ये सिमिलर का सैंगल है. सैम्बल. Two polygons are said to be similar. It is clear? Next, equiangular triangles. Very important. Two triangles are said to be equiangular. Two triangles are said to be equiangular if their corresponding angles are equal. If their corresponding angles are equal. Suppose that ABC is a triangle and PQR are other triangle. If corresponding angles, if triangle ABC are superposed on triangle PQR, and if angle A is coincide angle P, then angle A and angle P are corresponding angles. So angle B is superposed on angle Q, then angle B and angle Q are corresponding angles, and angle C and angle R are also corresponding angles. Then angle A equal to angle P, angle B equal to angle Q, and angle C equal to angle R. All corresponding angles are equal in two triangles. They are said to be equiangular triangles. Students, next, similar triangle. Similar triangle. What is similar triangle? Two triangles are said to be similar to each other. Two triangles are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Two triangles are said to be similar to each other if their corresponding angles are equal and the length of their corresponding sides are proportional. Suppose that ABC is the first triangle and DEF are the second triangle. Triangle ABC are superposed on triangle DEF. If ABC are superposed on triangle DEF are exactly covered to each other, if angle A equal to angle D, because angle A and angle D are corresponding angles, angle B equal to angle E, angle C equal to angle F, and second conditions AB by DE equal to BC by EF equal to AC by DF. Both conditions are followed in both triangles. They are said to be similar triangles. So we say that triangle ABC are similar triangle DEF.